Hey everyone! Losing weight and improving your health starts with one key factor, your diet. And today, I'm diving into one of the most effective nutrition strategies out there, a high-protein diet. Whether you're looking to shed fat, build lean muscle, or simply boost your overall health, protein is the game changer you need. In this video, I'll break down the science behind high-protein diets, how much protein you actually need, and how to create the perfect meal plan to fuel your body. Let's get started. First, let's talk about why protein is essential for weight loss and health. Protein is more than just a muscle-building nutrient. It plays a crucial role in metabolism, appetite control, and fat loss. Studies show that eating a high-protein diet can increase calorie burning by up to 100 calories per day. It also helps reduce hunger by lowering levels of the hunger hormone ghrelin while increasing satiety hormones. This means you naturally eat fewer calories without even trying. But that's not all. Protein also prevents muscle loss during weight loss. When you cut calories, your body can break down muscle for energy. A high-protein diet ensures that your body burns fat, not muscle, keeping your metabolism strong. So how much protein should you eat daily? For weight loss and muscle maintenance, aim for 1.4 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. Let's break that down. If you weigh 70 kilograms, 154 pounds, you should consume 98 to 140 grams of protein per day. If you weigh 90 kilograms, 198 pounds, aim for 126 to 180 grams of protein daily. A simple way to hit your protein goal? Include a high-protein source in every meal and snack. Let's see what that looks like in a meal plan. To create a high-protein meal plan, you need quality protein sources. Here are the best options. Lean meats like chicken, turkey, and lean beef, packed with over 30 grams of protein per 100 grams. Eggs, a budget-friendly, high-quality protein source with all essential amino acids. Fish like salmon and tuna, great for protein and heart-healthy omega-3s. Dairy products like Greek yogurt and cottage cheese, high in protein and calcium. Plant-based options like lentils, chickpeas, tofu, and tempeh, perfect for vegetarians. Nuts and seeds, great for snacks but best in moderation due to their high fat content. Now let's put these ingredients into an easy, delicious meal plan. Here's a full-day high-protein meal plan designed for fat loss and energy. Breakfast, scrambled eggs with spinach and feta, plus a side of Greek yogurt with berries, 30 g protein. Lunch, grilled chicken breast with quinoa and roasted vegetables, 40 g protein. Snack, a protein smoothie with whey protein, banana, and almond butter, 25 g protein. Dinner, baked salmon with steamed broccoli and sweet potatoes, 50 g protein. Evening snack, cottage cheese with almonds and honey, 20 g protein. That's a total of 165 grams of protein in one day. But what if you're vegetarian? No problem. You can replace animal proteins with tofu, tempeh, legumes, and plant-based protein powders. Let's wrap this up with an easy, high-protein recipe, spicy, meaty tacos. Ingredients: 1 cup walnuts, finely chopped, 1 cup mushrooms, diced, 1 cup crumbled tempeh, 1 TBSP olive oil, 1 onion, diced 2 cloves garlic, minced 2 TBSP taco seasoning, whole grain tortillas. Toppings: diced tomatoes, shredded lettuce, salsa, avocado. Instructions: 1 heat olive oil in a skillet, sauté onions and garlic. 2 add mushrooms, walnuts, and tempeh. Cook until golden brown. 3 stir in taco seasoning and cook for another 2 minutes. 4 warm tortillas and assemble with your favorite toppings. This meal is high in protein, plant-based, and packed with flavor. Before we wrap up, here are a few final tips for following a high-protein diet successfully. Stay hydrated. Protein digestion requires water, so drink plenty of it. Balance your macros. Pair protein with fiber and healthy fats for well-rounded meals. Meal prep. Planning ahead makes it easier to hit your protein goals. Be consistent. A high-protein diet works best when maintained long-term. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more health and nutrition tips. Got any questions or recipe requests? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.